Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate percentage increase or decrease in Microsoft Excel. This should be a quick and easy tutorial video. So as you can see here, we have some amount of money of each month, as you can see, and the total at the bottom. Now if you want to increase this total by 5%, for example, all you have to do is just type in up by 5%. Then go ahead next to that column. As you can see, then go ahead, just type in equal, which is the equation for this. Equal, and then choose the column which has the total. Then add asterisk 105%. So after you do that, you should be all good to go. Just hit enter and you should see the amount up by 5%. Now, if you want to do the other way around, which is down by 5%, just go ahead, type here down by 5%, then go to the next column that's next to it. And type in the equation, which is equal. You should choose the column that you want to be down by 5%. As you can see, then add asterisk 95%. So now I guess you know how to do it. Hit enter and you should see it's down by 5%. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.